replacing the spark plugs on the 2004 Alero that we've been driving. We've got one of them out there. Got a whole new set to do. These old spark plugs are definitely burnt out. All the front spark plugs are done. Started on the back ones. I got that first one over there, but I'm getting this one here. Alright, got all the spark plugs changed out back here. That was a pain in the ass. Now, I gotta put this back, plug in the battery, and start the car. Okay, everything's back together. Gonna try to start.